What's going on, guys? I got some plants in early flower here, and I've come across an issue. The bud tips are turning a little brown, and they're not really producing a bunch of white hairs like they should. Not really sure what that is. I'm thinking it could be like a russet mite or broad mite kind of thing. At first I thought it was nutrient burn, but nutrient burn you'd see burnt tips. And I don't think it's light intensity because all the other plants in here are doing good. So not sure what this is. If anybody's had experience with it, please let me know what you think it is or what the prevention would be to get rid of this. But yeah, not too happy with it. These plants, specifically this one strain, is super far behind, and so clearly it got stunted by something, so that's why I think it's a mite issue. And so I'm going to be in here spraying some plant therapy, and I'm only a few weeks in, so it should be okay. But as you can see, not really many white hairs. And if the hairs were there and turning brown, that's what russet mites look like, and then no THC. And all the other ones are doing good, like this. As you can see, white hairs and no browning tips. So I don't know what's going on here. But yeah, let me know what you think it is. And yeah, hope everybody's doing good, and hopefully everybody's having a good season.